Hey everybody, welcome back to the garden. It's perDrA here, and it's evening, and we're just enjoying this lovely weather. It's mid to late September, and I want to show you this cool rose. You know, I'm really not into roses like I should be, because really all I appreciate are those that are really clean. And gosh, I found another one here, and this one is called Sunset Rose, and look at the colors. This is on the same plant, you know. There's kind of reddish here and here, fading to some pink over here. And oh my goodness, look at that beautiful color of the flowers as they come out. And the other cool thing is these are clean, man. I could eat off of these. I love this foliage. Called the Sunset Rose. Not sure we can get it yet. I'm only trialing it right now, but I sure do enjoy it. So come on over. Love to have you garden with me. Bye now.